With having Medicare now, I have free eligibility to silver slippers. Silver sneakers, which gives you access to a free gym membership down at that, 24-hour fitness. So maybe this will be my new gym bag.
All right, your yoga bag. Namaste.
Nice, very nice. Thank you very much. I have my initials on.
Yeah. It's like Donna said, a group of us provided that. Give you nice send off. So the bag is full of many travels and adventures ahead. So we will always be with you. And you know, the Black Angus part.
Yes.
Yeah, for your 17th and 30th, you'll be your mom.
And Mr. Amazon.
For that new shower head, computer bag, or maybe a beach chair and umbrella.
What celebration?
Are you the father?